Solution Workshop here in Brentwood, where today we want to answer a question about a product that has been on the market for quite a while. It's been featured on TV and many car owners might have heard about it, probably for some of them a bit too late than they should have. Ghost II Immobiliser. This is the Ghost II Immobiliser. What is it? Well, it is exactly what it says on the tin. The new smart vehicle protection, it offers security guaranteed. Why is it called Ghost? Well, look at it. It's slightly bigger than a fingernail. And what it does, it connects to the vehicle wiring and protects the car from being started by any unauthorized person. So come inside the car and then we'll talk you more about it. So you see, this tiny device, it gets connected to the car wiring. And car wiring on any car goes from front to back and from left to right. So it's quite a lot of wiring and endless possibilities where the device can be hidden. And with this size, it will be literally impossible for someone to find it quick. So it can take hours, even for someone that knows the car has one of those devices installed, to find it. So that's why it's called correctly the Ghost, because it works from the shadow and it protects the car from being unauthorized started by someone that obviously is not owner of the car or has the car in custody. So look how it does. So we have this device installed on this car, the Jaguar I-Pace, and the way it works is I would say so similar with a credit card function, in a way that in order to have the credit card authorized to process a transaction, you need a PIN. So it does the Ghost. So in order for the Ghost to enable the vehicle to be started, it has to be authorized by a PIN, and a PIN that literally again will be impossible to be guessed, because it can be formed from 4 presses of the buttons of the car to 27. So quite a big combination. So another important aspect, no added buttons they are to be installed with this device. So there are used the buttons inside the car. From a car to another, there will be the buttons on the steering wheel, windows, center console. They all differs. And like I said earlier, you can choose a combination from 4 to 27 presses, and then this combination can be changed as many times as you want. So we're just going to show you exactly how it works on this car to give you a better understanding. So like I said, the device is active on this car, and look what happens. We switch on the ignition. The ready sign, it is on a dash, if you see it's present. We're now going to press the drive button, which you should engage the gear, and look what happens when you try to press the drive button. The dashboard literally comes off and the car does not go into drive. See, it shuts down completely. Second time, the ready message won't even come on. So the starting is not authorized. Furthermore, there are no signs. You don't even know why this is happening. There's no indication that the car has a ghost on it. You see, so that's the beauty of it. The car doesn't start, but you don't know why. So it is very clever. And look what happens now. We're gonna insert the PIN code, and when the PIN code is gonna be recognized by the device, at that point, the start of the car will be allowed. And have a look here. The PIN code that we set it up for the demo purposes is the pressing of this button, 4 presses, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. Then we're gonna have an indicator in the dash flashing, saying that the code has been recognized. At that point, the starting will be enabled. So have a look here. 1 down, 1 down. The indicator will be flashing shortly. Now the device is saying has recognized the PIN. Switch the ignition on, the ready sign is on, and now pressing the drive, you can actually see that the drive has been engaged. The car can now be driven. So what we say about this device is so user friendly, so easy to be used, and so efficient. This device, as said earlier, has been featured on TV, and for good reasons. And there are many insurance that they have a mandatory request to have the device installed before they'll insure the vehicle, because the theft it's so common nowadays. there definitely a protection has to be in place. A tracker is also a way, but you see, the tracker, the way it works is after the vehicle is being stolen. What you have to do, you have to prevent the vehicle to be stolen, and this device does exactly that. Here at Car Key Solutions, we probably install thousands of those devices, and we strongly suggest that this is one of the best devices on the market. See, a very, very tiny device, and the name, I think, is great, because it is exactly what the name says. So in here in Car Key Solutions, we offer free technical support if you want to know more about the device, or you already have a device on it, you want instruction on how to change the pin or set the device on valet mode, or any other questions that you might have. Please get in touch. Me, George, I'll be able to assist you, or any of my colleagues. Also, if you want to have one of those devices install your vehicle and you're not sure, you want to find out more, do get in touch as well. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Furthermore, we also offer custom solutions when it comes to vehicle security. So not just Ghost, but depends on your vehicle, on your requirement, we can advise you for more. But definitely, this device is one of the best anti-theft devices on the market, and we strongly suggest, if you have a car like this, a keyless car, or a luxury car, is definitely a device that you should have. It'll offer you unbeatable peace of mind. So if you think about it, this device, an installment, including the device, it costs you £450. But think about it, the peace of mind that it gives you, knowing that the car is protected. I mean, you can give the key to someone, they won't be able to do anything, and they don't know why the car is not starting. I mean, it literally is a lot. And if you think about it, you say, yeah, but my car is insured. Well, listen, even if the car is insured, you think about it, about the process to get paid back, and then it's gonna be a claim on your insurance. It's definitely not worth at all all this hassle. You don't need that. This device, it can save so much inconvenience, and it will literally give you peace of mind. So I hope this video is useful. You understood more about the Ghost Immobiliser, the way it works. But as I said earlier, if you need any queries, please get in touch. Me or my colleagues, they'll be more than happy to assist you and advise you. Car Key Solutions is one name for car keys and vehicle security. Thanks for watching, and we'll wait to hear from you. Bye now.